everyone, welcome to Q&E English. Learn English with quick and easy manner. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense expresses the ongoing action or task of the present. It is also called present progressive tense. For example, I am going to market. Structure: affirmative sentences. Subject plus is an are plus present participle plus object. Example: it is raining now. Negative sentences. Subject plus is am are plus not plus present participle plus object. Example: it is not raining now. Interrogative sentences. Is MR plus subject plus present participle plus object plus question mark. Example: is it raining now? Signal words: at the moment, just now, right now. We use subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. Examples: it is raining heavily. The children are sitting in the class. Sona is sleeping. I am learning dance at school. He is playing with his friends. The aeroplane is flying in the sky. The horses are galloping down the road. Monkeys are jumping from one tree to another. You are disturbing me. She is watching television with her parents. I am buying my present from the gift shop. The poet is writing romantic poems. The lyricist is writing realistic songs. Are you listening to realistic songs? I am not quarreling with you. Are you coming to our home? I am helping him to do the task. My mom is cooking beef with cabbage. Are you watching cricket on TV? Uses and examples. To express action that are happening now. For example, he is playing tennis now. To express action that are planned. He is watching movies with his friend next Sunday. For changing situation. The climate is getting hotter each year. To express time at the moment of speaking. We are performing our duty at the moment. Example sentences. The laborer is pushing the cart. He is fluttering the boss. She is kneading the floor. He is spending the holidays in Switzerland. I am taking the examination this month. Django is writing an essay on education. Peter is running on the jogging track. He is reading his favorite book. The police are catching the thief. They are playing badminton right now. He is reading various kinds of books. They are playing football now. She is drinking coffee. He is going to the library. We are coming for shopping in the market. We are watching a movie in this Cineplex. You are shopping in that market. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.